Hi everybody, it's Lene. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel today. So I've been doing a lot of 12 by 12 one-page wonders, and I decided to kind of move into something a little smaller, some 6 by 6, okay? Now you can still do this if you only have 12 by 12 paper. You would just cut it into 4 6 by 6 pieces. But I have a lot of the 6 by 6 side. I enjoy the 6 by 6 because the print is smaller and you get multiples of the same sheet. So you're getting like 4 to 6 of the same sheets. In this pack, this is Meadow Bloom 6 by 6 pattern cardstock by Paper Wishes hot off the press, and you're getting 6 of each one of these, okay? So you got a lot of paper to work with. So I've used this one before in the 12 by 12, but look, I mean, it's so beautiful. But these are the ones I'm going to be using right here. This is not a new fold that I'm going to be doing. It's been around for quite a while, but I'm going to expand on it. We're going to be doing the basic fold, and then we're going to go for more. We're going to go for broke. All right, so what we're going to do is, now when you have borders going in all directions on this and you have double-sided paper, I'm really watching the pattern where the butterflies are going in this direction. This side is meant to kind of go in any direction. So we're going to do a 3-inch score, okay? And then I'm going to turn it. This is going to be the bottom. And 2 inches to make a pocket is just a little too much pocket for me. I like to do 1 3/4. That 1/4 inch can help a lot. All right, so now we're going to fold in half. Actually, good. Let's go this way. You're going to fold in half. Make sure your edges are aligned. Okay. And then we're folding the pocket like that. Okay, so now on that fold line, I think I can see it better on this side. Actually, I'm going to ink this so you guys can see. There we go. That fold line right there. We're going to make a little cut right there. All right, and then we can take it and we can go this way for the pocket, and then we can also fold it the other direction. All right, so we've got a little folder. We've got a blank side, open it up, a pocket, a blank side, another pocket. And then I also like to just take, I'm going to turn this over so you can see it better, take this and just do a little bit of a V. Just, you're barely trimming off any on those edges, and sort of making a little bit of a notch like that so that nothing is getting in the way there. Okay, see, that's easy enough. Then we're going to take our ink pad and we're going to ink all the edges and all the pockets like this all the way around. Okay, I'll finish that. So for this one, the border is pretty heavy on this side, so we're gonna have to sacrifice the cute little bird. I know, but it'll be okay. We'll feature him later. So on this one, we're scoring at 3 inches, turning it, and then 1 3/4 of an inch. All right, and then we're doing the same thing. We're gonna fold it. Let me turn it over. Fold it this way. And then we're going to fold it this way. And then this one I've got already done, so that when you make your little V cut there, you can go like this, and like this, and like this, and like this. Okay, let me show you again. So we're going to cover up our little bird so that he's not upside down. So he's going to go on the inside of the pocket, and then we're going to flip this one over like that. Or you can just keep them like this. Whatever you want to do. All right, so I'm going to finish inking these, and then we're going to glue right here. Since I have this one done, I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then we're going to get to the assembling part, because there's just really like, we're almost done actually. All right, just on the edges, we really want to keep those pockets as clear as possible so we can add goodies in there. There we go. Just like that. All right, I'm going to ink this one and then we'll move on to the next step. All right, so we've got our 2 little folders done. Cute. And then I'm going to take this opportunity to add some little stickers. Okay, these are like a really nice brown copper, and they're dazzle stickers. Very, very easy to use. And we can just add these to the top edges of the pockets. I like using these because not only do they give us a little bit of glam, but they are not bulky at all. So they take up no space. They don't get in the way of the fold. Just make sure that's pressed on there nice and good. Pocket's still working. And we're going to add this one right there. Wow. Maybe if we set it down, Lene. There we go. Okay. And I like that it's defining the edge of the pocket. So that's cute. So we'll do the other one in a minute. All right, so what you're going to do with these then is you're going to just take one. You have to decide which is your outside cover. I like that edge. We're going to put one inside the other. Just like that. And then I'm going to be using a little twine. This is just a little ball of brown, or a little spool of brown twine I got at my local thrift. And I'm going to take about 2 feet of that. Okay. And we're going to just create a simple and quick binding for this. This is like a no-sew situation. We're going to wrap it around 3 times. And then we're just going to tie a knot and then a cute little bow on that binding. I think this is just a sweet little project that you can add to a little gift. This can be your birthday card. It's a really nice little flat mail. And as you can see, very simple to do. All right, so we've got our little binding. Cute. All right, we're going to put stuff in that in a minute. This is going to be our outside little envelope, sort of. So this piece right here, we want to feature that lovely border. So we're going to turn it this way so that you can see the measuring a little bit easier. There we go. We're going to measure 2.5 inches. Okay. That's going to slip in there. This part's going to stick out a little bit. It's like that. It's going to be really cute and simple. All right, so we're going to ink the edges of this as well. First, I think I'm going to grab my, here's my punch. I'm just going to put a little notch right there in the center-ish. I don't want to go into the pattern at all there. And now we're going to ink. So while I'm inking, I wanted to remind you guys how I'd love to give away my projects. When we're all done with this, this will be a giveaway. And how that works is that we ask that you subscribe, that you like, and that you comment. And then next week, come back and watch next week's video. And hidden within the video, it's hidden in plain sight, actually, you'll see a big congratulations, and it's going to announce the person's YouTube username. And then, yeah, you can follow the instructions about claiming your prize. So also there is a little notification on there about shipping. I have a little link within the description box. One of those little buy me a cup of coffee things. Shipping adds up. I pay for this on my own. This is not a sponsored video. This is my hobby channel. I love sharing these things with you guys, and I love giving away my projects. But it does cost me, I ship 4 times a month all over the place. So yeah, if you want to help out, just follow the instructions about doing that. All right, so that's gonna go like that, and then we're just gonna glue a little bit right here, right there. Just like that. And then we can add another one of these little dazzle stickers. Remember, I still need to add some when I'm done on the inside of the little book. There we go. Just a little sparkle there. All right, so we've got our little presentation. It's gonna go right in there. How cute is that? And then we're gonna put some stuff in there, you guys. So, all right, so I made some tags, just like that. And then I used the little cutout sheet, just like that. Went ahead and left the little greeting on them. You can cut those out individually, but I'm gonna leave those on there, I think. And then these are just gonna fit so nicely in there. I'm gonna jazz them up a little bit, but use your little scraps of paper like this. And then I've got my little tag punch. And then these make the most adorable little tags. And then what you can do with these is just layer them like this. Okay, tie them with a little bit of twine, write some little messages, add some little flowers, and then stick them in here. And it's also the perfect size for a little gift card. So I am going to finish this, and then we'll do a little flip through at the end. All right, let's take a little flip through. So we've got our cute little envelope, and I wanted to show you that it really does fit very easily into, this is a 5x7 envelope, and it's pretty flat. I think this would be an easy thing to mail, but I wanted to create sort of a little presentation for this. And then you can see the little bird. I knew we would get him on there. And what I did was I just took one of those extra 6x6 where I practiced my folding. And I took my 1-inch circle punch and I just went where that little bird was. And I clipped out some other little areas, almost like just zooming in on them when you punch them out. And then don't forget to ink those edges. I think it really does help give a finished look to that. And then I just put them on with a little bit of foam tape so that they just popped up a little bit. And then added a little flower. This is just a cute little pastel mix you can get at Paper Wishes. I'll put the links for that down below. And then I also used little tiny words and phrases dazzle stickers. I love to use these because they just pop off so easily by just using a little pokey tool. You just pop off this little hello, and then you can easily place it. So those I love using because you can just create a cute little vignette. Okay, on the inside, another one of those little circles that's foam taped, another one of those little tiny words and phrases dazzles. I've got 3 tags layered. And then here I just took my twine and I just took 2 lengths. I doubled it up and then threaded it through the tags and then tied a bow. It just makes it look a little bit more substantial. Here's one of the little cutouts. Got another one of those little circles. I added dazzle border dazzle stickers to the edges of the pages. These fit perfectly for little gift cards. I am a big advocate, you guys, of sharing old family photos, pass them on to other generations. So if you don't want to glue that in, you want them to be able to take it out and utilize that photo, you can just cut little triangles from your paper and then just tack them down here and here, and then one here. You only need 2, and just slip the photo in and out very easily. And then we've got another 2 sets of tags, another little cutout here where I added another one of these little cutouts and then a flower, and on the back there's also a little pocket. And then this all just comes together in that little envelope. So you guys, I love to give away my projects. I hope you participate in that contest by liking, commenting, and be a subscriber. You guys, YouTube tells me that over 60% of you are not subscribers. You come back and you view all the time. So if you want to help my channel grow, which we're really trying to get it to grow, you can subscribe. That would be a big favor to me. Thanks for joining me today, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.